Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily download and install Oracle VirtualBox. Now, let's start. First of all, come to Google and write Oracle VirtualBox. This is the Oracle VirtualBox official site, and this is the download. So click on it and come over here. This is the download page of VirtualBox, and you can easily download the latest version of VirtualBox and install it on your Windows or operating system. You can see over here the latest version 6.0.10. Currently I'm the Windows operator, so I should select this one, click on it, and you can see the download over here. Great. And if I come over here, this is my VirtualBox download file, and it's about 162 megabytes. So we should wait until the completion of the download file. And after that, let's talk about the other versions. Currently, this is the latest version. And if you want earlier versions, for instance, 5.2, you can come over here. And remember, if you want to install your VirtualBox in the 32-bit host or Windows, so you can refer to previous versions like this. And currently my Windows is 64-bit, so I select this one, Windows host. And if I come to here and right click on my computer and more and properties, so in this window I can see my system type, and it's 64-bit operating system. So I can easily, without any problem, use the 6th version of VirtualBox. In addition, I need the extension pack for more tools and more features in my VirtualBox. For instance, if I want to support USB Type 2 or Type 3 devices or VirtualBox RDP and other tools, I need to download and install VirtualBox extension pack. So let's click over here for downloading the VirtualBox extension pack. And this is my file. I stop the recording to finish my downloading file. Stay with me. Welcome back. Currently I downloaded two files, one VirtualBox and another one is extension pack of my VirtualBox. First of all, I need to install my VirtualBox, so click on it. And the process of installation is really simple and straightforward, so don't worry about anything. Come to next, and here you can see different features of VirtualBox. By default, all of these will be installed automatically, so it's better to leave them by default. And the installation location, you can change it from here. Come to next and come to next. So during your installation, you will lose your connection to the internet sometime, and if you wanna to continue, you can click yes, and if you don't wanna, click no. So let's click yes and continue our installation and start install. Great. Installation of VirtualBox needs a couple of minutes, so be patient. Great. Now I want to run my application. Let's click finish. And this is the VirtualBox. Congratulations to you. Easily we could download and install VirtualBox Manager. But as I told you, we have another options, and it's VirtualBox extension pack. Now let's close my VirtualBox and click on it, and this is the result. So you can see this window, and it's wanna to install it in your VirtualBox. So after installing this package, you can see its description over here: USB 2, USB 3, and host webcam, VirtualBox RDP, and other tools and features will be installed in your VirtualBox. So don't hesitate to click on install. And this is the license agreement. Scroll down and read it carefully, and I agree. So this is the installation progress and installation result. Great. Congratulations. This is my penguin and I love it. Now this penguin belongs to me, and we will create our great virtual machines by using of this great penguin. So let's say, hello penguin, what's up? Can you help me for creating my word better for programming? Yes, why not? Great. And in addition, I can come over here and write VirtualBox and add it to my, for instance, taskbar or to my start. And you can see it over here. Where are you, VirtualBox? Great. This is my VirtualBox and everything is ready for me to make my programming world better place. So it's your turn. Go ahead and start downloading and installing your VirtualBox and stay with me with my great upcoming tutorial about how to start working with the VirtualBox. See you soon.